Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach with the 2024 Rize 18G. And what I love about this camper van is its size. It measures in at 17 feet 11 inches in length, which is on par, or in some cases actually shorter than some very popular midsize trucks. We're talking Chevy Colorados, Toyota Tacomas, even Jeep Gladiators. But what you find in the 18G, you will not find in any pickup truck. With the different Rize floor plans, you're going to want the one that checks all the boxes for you. So make sure you're checking with your local Thor Motor Coach dealer or build your own at thormotorcoach.com. On the road in your Rize, this is living made simple. Every feature in here is thought out for maximum enjoyment and ease of use. There are two decor options in the 18G. Here we have the crisp linen and modern white cabinets, and this really works in this space. Now in the 18G, for seating, we have this multi-purpose area back here. It's opposing seating when you have the Rize in sofa mode. There's a pedestal table that stores under the sofa and it is quick to set up. Now we're ready for dinner. Pack the table away, quickly arrange the cushions, and turn this into your bedroom. When you need additional sleeping space, you're going to want to option in the retractable rooftop with Skybunk. Now, when you go for the Skybunk, due to space on the rooftop AC unit is replaced with a cabinet AC. The kitchen in the Rize is geared up with everything you need so you can stop and make a meal no matter where you park. The 18G is equipped with a 2-burner gas cooktop and microwave to handle cooking and reheating. Wash up in the sink. There's also a cover to maximize the room on your countertop. Right here, we have a fully stocked 12-volt fridge. Don't worry about heating up the kitchen when you're making your secret sauce. You can keep the side door open and put the screen up for ventilation. All right, so you may be asking, where do you keep everything? Check this out. You have storage in cabinets lining each side of the Rize. There's even an electronics cabinet, and look at the connections in here. Cable, 110, USB, and HDMI. Back here we have storage nets for gadgets and guides. And I'll tell you what, these hold a lot. Look at this. There's a laptop in here, and there are even ports for charging all your gear. If you want to mount a TV, the Rize has got just the spot. There is backer in the wall, and all the plugs and outlets you need are right here. HDMI, cable, 110, and USB. You're going to love this feature. The driver and passenger seats swivel, so now you have 2 more places to sit. In the back of the 18G, we have a wet bath. You really can use this instead of a campground bathhouse or stopping at a gas station. Wash up and clean up with the flip-down sink. You have a shower back here, a medicine cabinet, a closet for storage, and a cassette toilet that is easy to empty, and we're going to talk about plumbing when we head outside. Out back behind the door is a nice storage compartment. You have a GFCI outlet, 12-volt outlet, a switch for the water pump, a switch for the puddle light, and a quick connect hose. Heat and hot water in the Rize are handled by the Truma Combi Eco. This runs right off your propane tank and it is easy to use. The other switch up here is for the 1000-watt inverter. When you're on the road, you want convenience, you want ease of use. That's where Rapid Camp Plus comes in. From the main screen or the mobile app, you can control lights, climate, check the tank levels, set the auto gen start for the 2800-watt gas generator, and you can monitor the 190 watts of solar charging. Behind the wheel, the Rize is an unbelievably easy, fun, and incredibly safe van to drive. The 18G is built on a Ram 1500 XT chassis, and with the premium appearance group, the chrome grille gives this van an upscale look. Ram put a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 under the hood with 276 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque. A 9-speed transmission sends power to the front wheels. You have a tow haul mode and a 3,500-pound hitch. So let's take this path down to the bike trail. You can pull your bike right off that Thule bike rack and go for a spin. With electric steering and a tight turning diameter, this camper van is going to be easy to get it where you want it. Another perk of driving the Rize, the standard safety features. This has traffic sign recognition, drowsy driver detection, intelligent speed assist, forward collision warning with active braking and pedestrian cyclist emergency braking. You have rain sensing wipers and an electronic parking brake that automatically engages if you would happen to be so excited to get out and explore, you forget to put the van in park. The Uconnect 5 system is the star of this dashboard. This 10-inch touchscreen is loaded with all the latest features. You can connect 2 smartphones, There is wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, even Amazon Alexa is built in. The backup camera on this monitor is crystal clear. The wireless charger keeps your phone full and secure. The dash also features USB-A and Type-C ports built in. You have power folding mirrors, proximity keyless entry, and push-button start. A quick rundown for you of the steering wheel controls. On the right side, we have cruise control. The left side toggles to the different menus and features and settings in the dash, like TPMS, trip meters, and driver assist functions. On the back of the steering wheel, there are buttons on the left and right that are tied into the radio. One of the great features about a camper van like the 18G is the fact that no matter where you go, you are self-contained. This has a cassette toilet, an occupant and cargo carrying capacity of 1,863 pounds, at least on this particular 18G. But there are a lot of other features that help you enjoy your outdoor activities no matter where you go. All the connections you need are right here. This van is easy to set up. The Rize is a 30-amp camper van. Over here on the business end, look at this, all the hookups, city water, fresh water fill, cable. You can even add extra portable solar panels. Those are going to be plug and play. Rize has a place to store the hose to drain your gray water right here. And when it comes to plumbing and capacity, Rize holds 20 gallons of fresh water. You have a 20-gallon gray tank. The cassette toilet is 4 3/4 gallons. Over on the R&R side, you want your rest and relaxation, right? That's why you have this Thule power awning for a little shade. And when you feel the need to feed, hook up a grill or griddle to the propane connection and cook away. It's the perfect small camper van for your big adventure. When you're ready to build your own, head on over to thormotorcoach.com.